Okay, here are the feet for the box step. So we're in the back left corner of the box. Imagine the box on the floor. Here's how we do it. You're going to shift your weight. Step forward, left to the front corner, and then side together onto the other front corner. And back, right, and side together. Left, side together, right, side together. And to shift your weight so that it's not getting your feet confused, remember, when you do the side together, you have to get the next foot that's stepping backward ready to go. So left, side, get the right, ready to go, 2, 3, left, left, side, together, right. Kind of get it ready to move. You're shifting that weight totally to the left and to the right. Okay, hopefully this will help you. Don't forget, we don't care if you do it perfectly, but we just want you to have fun.